On busy days like we're going to have today, where we've got school to do, work to do, we've got after school stuff that needs taken care of, and also my wife has got an extra meeting tonight, so she's not able to get back early doors, so we need to have a meal that we can just leave on the go, and also everyone can come and like get a nice portion out of at any point in the day. So we're going to do beef and chorizo with some pasta. This is the easiest meal you could ever cook. It's literally diced beef, sliced chorizo and some plum tomatoes. We're going to put ours in a slow cooker, and that's literally going to be on there on low for 6 to 8 hours. So as you can see, I haven't done anything with it. It's literally from the packet into this slow cooker, and then we've put it on the lowest setting. Worth noting also is there's nothing else in there, no seasonings, no anything else, not fried anything off. It's literally as quick as that. This is what the beef and chorizo is looking like after about 10 hours, give or take. Pasta wise, fusilli or pen seems to always work the best. Now we've done our pasta, we've dished it all up, and we're going to put on some pre-done, pre-grated mozzarella. Get loads on there. And if that still doesn't satisfy you, why not use a pre-made garlic bread?